Hey fam, it's Linda Word. So I am just coming on just to give, I don't know, an update just to say, hey y'all. But I wanted to show you something. To show you something that I had purchased. Well, I guess I wouldn't even say purchase. I was, on Mother's Day, I was watching one of the live feeds from Jace Beauty Hair, and she gives gifts out during her live feeds. But I won a $50 Mother's Day gift certificate, but it was just a credit on her store. So what I did with the credit is I went in and I got two of these scalp soothers, which I thought was pretty neat. I had seen this on her channel and I just, wanted to check it out. But this is what it looks like, and you can use this. So that's lace, so that ain't gonna get it. Let me see. Well, okay, there we go. To get in between the wefts to scratch your scalp. That feel kind of good, y'all. Excuse me for a moment. Okay, I'll stop. But that do feel kind of good. But anyway, I thought that was pretty good. I really need to stop. But it's addicted though. Once you start, you like, I don't want to stop. I get all up in there. Okay, I'll stop. Anyway, I got two of those. And then I ordered their purse size life spray. And I don't know if you can see that saying life on there. You probably can't. But yeah. Now, I love this stuff. I already had, and this is my second bottle of it, but I have the full size one that they sell, which is the Jace Beauty Life. And this stuff smells so good. This is my second bottle of it. And I'm trying to use it sparingly so it'll last a long time. But this is like a purse size. So I can just throw this one in my purse. I also, since it was $50, I also got one of those continuous spraying water bottles, but that was on back order, so I haven't received it yet. But that's really what I wanted. So yeah, can't wait till I get that. Anyway, I have been rocking my curly hair, and it's been so hot, y'all, that I would just put it in a ponytail. I put it in a ponytail and then just kind of flip it to the side like that, and that's how I've been wearing it. But it's time to take this one out. And this is my Cambodian hair. This is the one that I put all those straws in and steamed it myself to get a tighter curl on it. So the curls, as you can see, are still hanging in there. It is still curly. You can probably see it better on the back. But yeah. Now, tell you something else I did. I bought me some flaxseed oil. And I wanted to make my own gel because I was running out of the Eco Styler gel. And so I was like, oh, a lot of folks are saying, it's no good, shouldn't be using that. So I was like, okay, because I use it on my granddaughter's hair. So I said, I'm going to go make my own. So I followed the videos, did it like everybody said. But to me, it was too hard to try to squeeze that gel out of that stocking. So this is what I did. I already had the gel in the stocking, right? Trying to squeeze it out. So I said, how would this work if I just put the seeds in the stocking, put that in the water, and just let it congeal that way? And it worked. No squeezing whatsoever. So when I'm finished with all the gel that I made, I'll do another video on how I did that. Now the only thing about it is that the product looks a little brown because I used a brown stocking for the seed, so I don't know, it came out brown. So that's the only thing. Other than that, what I did is Sunday, today is Saturday, Sunday when I washed this hair, I got that gel and I put that gel all through the hair. It was still wet and I put the gel on, and every day all I would do is just spray it with a little bit of water. And that is all that's in here. Oh no, I take it back. I also put some coconut oil that I had. I bought some more of this and I put some coconut oil on the hair. So it was just the gel that I made, water, and coconut oil. And that's it. And that's all that's in this hair. And the hair is uber duper 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 soft. But it's time to take it off and wash it again. But this morning as I was getting ready for work, I was like, it's time to try my other curly hair. So this is my Indian curly, and I'm gonna wash it. I haven't wore this one in a while, so I'm gonna wash her up, condition it up real good, and get these curls to popping, and then put some gel on it and start rocking this one next week. So a little bit excited about that because that's like my favorite wig. So, okay, just wanted to come on just to say hello to everyone. I know I've been missing, but I have some other videos. I'm going to try to upload them and post them. I just have not been in the videoing mood, I guess you could say. But I ain't skipped a beat with watching my videos. I will watch videos all day long on YouTube. So I just haven't been uploading any. So I'll try to get back in the groove of things. But until then, peace out and have a wonderful day. Bye, y'all.